Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll cover everything you need to know about Form DS-11, the application for a U.S. passport. We'll discuss when this form is required, how to fill it out correctly, and the most common mistakes people make. Filling out the form with Instafill is the fastest and most convenient way, helping you avoid errors and save time. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment. What is Form DS-11? Form DS-11 is the application for a U.S. passport for first-time applicants, those updating personal information, or individuals replacing a lost or damaged passport. It must be submitted in person and is intended for U.S. citizens applying for their first passport, children under 16 years old, and adults renewing a lost, stolen, or expired passport. You can fill out DS-11 manually or with Instafill, which makes the process much easier. Let's go over how to fill it out properly using Instafill. What you'll need to complete Form DS-11. To complete Form DS-11, you'll need to provide the following information: personal details, full name, date, and place of birth, Social Security number, SSN, and contact information, parental information, details about both parents, including their full names and birthplaces, proof of U.S. citizenship, such as a birth certificate or naturalization certificate, travel information, if you have upcoming travel plans. When filling out the form manually, be sure to use a black pen, write in capital letters, and follow the date format, month/day/year, to avoid errors. The most common mistakes include missing signatures, incorrect addresses, and improperly completed fields. Why use Instafill? Instafill helps you complete the form without errors. It checks your details, suggests the correct format, and prevents common mistakes. The platform also automatically identifies required documents, guides you through the process step by step, ensures all fields are filled out correctly, and reduces the risk of rejection due to minor errors. Unlike manual form filling, Instafill eliminates inaccuracies and speeds up the process so you can submit a perfectly completed form faster. On this page, click the Fill Out Form button to begin. Once the form loads, our AI-powered system will analyze it in the background. With our Required Documents feature, Instafill scans each field and generates a detailed checklist of all the information and documents needed for the application. This structure provides a clear overview, making it easier to navigate the form and ensure nothing is missing. Instafill also offers hints for each field. Just hover over the explanation icon to see detailed instructions on what information to enter. There are multiple ways to provide the necessary details. Drag and drop files or upload documents containing your information. Supports PDF, text, and image formats. Enter data manually using the input fields. Upload photos. If your documents are on paper, simply take a picture and upload it. Our AI will extract the required data from the image. Now let's start by filling out the applicant's personal information. This includes your full name, address, date of birth, place of birth, and Social Security number, if applicable. Next, enter your parents' information, as it is required to complete Form DS-11. Finalizing and submitting Form DS-11. Now let's take a look at the completed DS-11 form. Once the form is filled out, you must print it, but do not sign it in advance. Your signature must be provided only in the presence of a passport acceptance agent. You can submit your form in person at a passport acceptance facility or a passport agency. If you need your passport urgently, be sure to provide details about your upcoming trip, as this can expedite processing. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials.